See, they call me Odysseus. You want an epic? Here's a frame. Picture this. I was living in Ithaca. That's in Greece. Me and Penelope were living in peace.
Then I took off for the Trojan War. It was really real till I found their Achilles heel. We were hidden in a horse. There was no detection. The Trojans, they were left with no protection.
Yeah, they got killed. I thought that was the end. It's time to sail home and kick it with my friends and see my wife. Yeah, that would have been nice, but you can't predict your fate like a roll of the dice.
Next up, the land of the Lotus Eaters, where Bob Marley jams would blow your speakers. A few of my people turned to addicts. It was savage. The brain turned to cabbage.
We moved on, a new island quiet, till we met a dude, a one-eyed giant. Oh man, hope he didn't need eye drops. The son of Poseidon, he was a cyclops. He invited us into his cave.
My whole crew, yeah, we were feeling brave until I took a bite of one of my men. It looked painful. Man, I don't even pretend. Now, I laced up my high tops, fight or die. I speared
That Cyclops right in the eye. Nah, he wasn't dead, but he was blind though. To escape, we clung to the undersides of the goat. Yeah, it's kinda gross, we had to play it close to the
Goats, like butter plate toast, you know. This is the Odyssey. I miss my lady. This trip was crazy, and I just want to go home. Come take me home. After all that I've been through, I'm coming home to see you home. Come take me home. After all that I've been through, I'm coming home to see you. Landing on an island ruled by a goddess lady. Yeah, she was cute, but she was also kind of crazy. The switch Circe turned my crew into swine, but Hermes taught your body how to rewind. Then we lay on the island suntan bacon. Circe and me, we were basically dating. So after a year of this vacation, it was time to move on and there was no more waiting. It might sound crazy, but we say it for Hades. For those who can't tell, Hades is hell. All the dead souls began to speak. I'm tough, usually, but I began to freak. Now the signs will sing a song that'll melt your heart. Then the bird ladies will tear your limbs apart. So I had my man tie me to the mast. Thank Alina, we finally passed.
Dang, then I got trapped on an island. Calypso the nymph, she must be willing. She got me locked up. I guess she's got a crush. Only yours truly. I'm not surprised at much, 'cause I'm built like the Colossus of Rhodes. Noble and smart, there's a lot that I know. It's been 10 years since the fall of Troy, and still I haven't seen my wife or my boy. All these creeps back home trying to creep with my wife, thinking it's got me hardly sleeping at night. Yeah, I know Penelope's keeping in my heart, but the suitors don't care if she's married or not. But with the help of the gods, especially Athena, I finally got my feet back to Greece. So I show up like a beggar dressed in rags, and the suitors diss me. Man, these fellows are
bad, but Penelope thinks it might be me, so she sets up a little test of archery. Yeah, I win the tournament, I'm a Hades of shot. Then I turn my bow to the suitors and make them drop. Yeah, pop, pop. You shouldn't have been messing with my wife when I was gone overseas. That's the lesson. Now that I'm home, that gotta be the final chapter of the Odyssey. I'm back.
Home. Come take me home. After all that I've been through, I'm finally home to see you home. Come take me home. After all that I've been through, I'm finally home to see you
home.
Yeah. Drop it.